Hi guys and welcome to Razon.com. This is Mohit Soni. We are at the Mercedes-Benz annual press conference where they've just showcased us the EQS SUV with the 4-seater format. This now comes at a price tag of 1.5 crore rupees ex showroom. This is a 450 variant. It is significantly different than the 7-seater variant, which also gets a different battery. But most of the design on the outside is the same. As you can see, it's get this very big panel here, which is usually a grill in the ICE cars, but it is of course a panel in the EV cars because it needs a little bit lesser cooling than what the ICE cars need. And you've got the signature LED DRL here with the 3 slats and a triple pod LED light as well, what Mercedes likes to call digital light. So that is on offer with this car. And you've got these big wheels here, and 20-inch wheels look quite fantastic and quite big. The EQS design has always been very different. You've got these grab handles with the illumination. You've seen this car earlier, on the outside at least, when we were showcasing you the car, the 580 that was launched a couple of months ago. At the back also the design remains the same. That is how the boot opens. That is what you get now, a very big boot. The electronic tailgate here is on offer. Let's now go at the back and show you the important part, the 4-seater, the 5-seater layout. It is actually a very good thing because the boot space is replated and the middle row as always continues to be quite good, with rear infotainment seats, a dedicated climate control at the back, and a twin sunroof is on offer. At the front you can see the hyper screen continues with the white steering wheel, which may or may not be ideal for Indian conditions, but nevertheless it has a lot of luxury on offer. You've got heated and cooled seats with memory and the usual layout for everything. That is how the screen looks like here. Electronic adjust for the steering wheel, and it's pretty much what you've seen in the EQS 580, apart from the seating arrangement and the battery option that is changed on this car. And for this price you get 820 kilometers of range. You've got a very big battery that charges within 1 hour with the 180 kilowatt charger, and this is something that is very tempting indeed, because there is no real range anxiety. At home also you can charge this car and get a very good amount of range in terms of with the home charging. You can charge it in less than in a few hours with the 11 and 22 kilowatt charger that you get with this car. Apart from that, I think the proof of the pudding lies in how it drives and how does it feel different from the 580, and because the range is different and the suspension tune I'm sure is also different. But we know EQS SUVs can feel very big, very large, very intimidating, and very high on range and extremely silent and luxurious as well. So that is what the EQS first look from the annual press conference of Mercedes-Benz is. Mercedes-Benz is celebrating 2 lakh cars on Indian roads. They've made significant investment, and that's what I can tell you right now. We'll try and drive it for you as soon as we can to tell you more about it. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.